Do you want to start playing keyboard like a pro from day one? In this very tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to start playing the keyboard from scratch. If this is a video you like to watch, please guys don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So I'm going to be teaching the key of F and C, which is the most popular key. So I'm going to start with F. If you want to start playing the keyboard, you know that we have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, back to your 1. That's the number pattern. If you are playing on F, which is your F, your G, your A sharp or your B flat, your C, your D, your E, back to your F. These are the major notes of the F chord. Hope you are getting something. This is the note. I will also show you guys the full chord. So for your F, we call it the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La, Ti, Do. These are the major notes of your F chord, the F key. Understand? So the full chord of the F is for your Do or your number 1 is your F, your A and your C. This for 1 or your Do. I'm using the number pattern and the suffer notation. It's either your 1 or your Do. If you want to get it, it's your F, your A and your C, or your Do, your Mi and your So. Hope you are getting something here. Your Do, your Mi and your So. This is for your Do, the full chord of the Do. Then for the Re is your G, your A sharp and your D. This is the Re, your G, your A sharp and your D. That's the Re, which is your Re, your Fa and your La. Hope you got it. Then for the Mi, is your A, your C and your E. Your A, your C and your E, which is your Mi, your So and your T. That's the full chord for your Mi. Get it? Then for your 4, which is your Fa, is your A sharp, your D and your F, which is your Fa, your La and your Do. This is the full chord for your Fa. And then for your So is your C, your E and your G. Your C, your E and your G, which is your So, Ti, Re, So, Ti, Re. Got it? I'm using the number pattern and the suffer notation as well. Then for your La is your D, your F and your A. Your D, your F and your A. which is your La, Do, Mi. Then for your T, it's your E, your G, and your A sharp. Your E, your G, and your A sharp, which is your T, Re, Fa, back to your Do. That's the full chord. If you play it together, you get something like, I will take it very easy. You get something like this. Do, Re, Mi. Let me take it slowly. Do, you see? That's your Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Or your F. This is what you need to play a song as a beginner before you start playing all those minor chords and the rest. You understand? This is for your F. Then for your C, this is your 1. Let me start from the beginning. For your C, is your Do, Re, your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4, your 5, your 6, your 7, back to your 1. Do. See, the C is just the white key. It's very simple. With the chords and with the notes, very simple. So for your 1 on your C, which is your Do, you play your C, your E, and your G. See the Do, your 1, your 3, and your 5. 1, 3, 5, that makes your Do. Let me use the left hand so you see clearly. Your 1, 3, 5, that makes your Do, your Do, Mi, your Do, your Mi, your Sol, that makes up your Do chord on C. Then for your Re, just move the 3 fingers forward, you get it, your Re. It is your D, your F, and your A. Your Re, Mi, La, your Re, Fa, Mi, Re, Fa, La, Re, Fa, Ra. That is for your Re chord, your Re, Fa, La. It is your 2, your 4, and your 6, your Do, Re. Then you see your Mi, just move your 3 fingers forward to get it. It's your E, your G, and your B. Your E, your G, and your B. It's your Mi, Sol, Ti, Mi, Sol, Ti. That's your Mi chord. Then your Fa, which is your F, your A, and your C, which is your Fa, La, your Fa, your La, and your Do. That's your Fa chord. You get it? This is your Sol, which is your G, your B, and your D. your saw, your T, and your Re. Understand? This is your saw. This is your La, which is your A, your C, and your E. Your A, your C, and your E. This is your La, Do, Mi, La, Do, Mi. That's the full chord of your La. La, Do, Mi. Then your T. You see? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. This is your B, your D, and your F. This is your T, Re, Fa. Back to your Do. This is the preamble. This is the first thing you should know if you want to start playing the keyboard on key F or key C. Hope you have gotten something on this tutorial. So I'm going to do a part 2 of this so that you digest this first before I do a part 2 of this very one. It's for pure beginners. If you haven't played the keyboard before, with this you can start. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I am Gidoki's. God bless.